Hey y'all, we back with another video with the Don. He's going to be showing us how to make his delicious jerk chicken. Now let's get started.
Okay, I'm ready to show you to make my favorite jerk chicken. My chicken already clean, washed with vinegar and lemon juice. And this is all my season using. This is my seasoned salt, 2 tablespoons. This is my accent, 1 tablespoon. Goya season, 2 tablespoons. Garlic powder, 2 tablespoons. Onion powder, 2 tablespoons. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. And this is my jerk season, 4 tablespoons. Then add a little bit of browning. And now I'm going to put it all together.
What type of jerk seasoning do you use? Grace?
Grace Great Jerk Seasoning.
Can you use any Jamaican?
Yes, you could use any Jamaican jerk seasoning. You have the spicy and you got the mild. I'm using the mild one today. It's my browning. I'm going to put a 2 tablespoons. And now I'm about to marinate.
Now you know I gotta ask you some more questions.
Yes.
How much jerk season do you put on there? Again, I know you said.
I have 4 tablespoons.
Is it the more jerk sauce you put on it, it becomes spicier?
The more sauce you put, the more spicy it is. If you really want it spicy, hot, you can put at least 6 tablespoons.
Wow.
But if you want it mild, you gotta put like 4 or 3.
Okay.
But I put 4 because I got a mild hot sauce.
And why do you put the brown on there?
I'll catch a little bit of color because I don't want it too white. So it's brown and give it a little dark color. Then I'll finish marinating, mix it all together. Then I have it marinate for like an hour.
And can you use any part of the chicken?
Yes, any part of the chicken, you could do wings, drumstick, chicken breasts, thighs, whatever one you prefer. Now we're about to taste my season. Perfect. Okay. Now my chicken is done marinated. Okay, now Don Kitchen is back. My chicken already marinated, sit for an hour. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. And when it finishes, I'll be back. Okay, Don Kitchen is back. My chicken is marinated for an hour. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven an hour and 20 minutes on 350 degrees. When it finishes, I'll be back. Don Kitchen is back. Now I'm about to check my chicken and flip them over on the other side. Now the chicken will be ready in 20 minutes. Don Kitchen is back. My jerk chicken is done. And I'm about to serve it with some baked macaroni and cheese. Homemade macaroni and cheese.